All right, guys, have you ever been in the traffic light for too long and the light is green while there's no cars passing on the other road? Well, for this project, we designed a traffic light system where we have a T intersection where the main road is green for most of the times, except if the sensors detect a pedestrian or a car in the other lanes. So we got here the green, yellow, and red for the main traffic light, and you can see it's green for most of the time unless we press the sensors. Then we have the pedestrians stop, pedestrians go, and then we have the red, yellow, and green for the traffic 2. So now let's say we have pedestrians. It's gonna switch to pedestrians go, and then it's gonna go back to the main routine, to the main traffic light. So now it's the same thing with the traffic 2. It's gonna do the same thing. And so now let's say we got both. Press both. It's gonna switch to one of the cycles. So it's gonna switch back to the other cycle, and that's gonna go back to green, right? So we could see that it runs, it adjusts to what the sensors detect, and it runs through the cycles, the routines, according to, if pedestrian is there or if the car is there. Now, there's one thing that you should notice. This code also adjusts how long the green light stay green for or stay on for. So if we press once for the pedestrians, it's gonna adjust for 1 second, it's gonna go back. And now you can change the time, but for time reasons here, we wanna keep it short. So now let's say we have 4, or I don't know how many times I pressed there. It's gonna adjust, it stays longer for, if it's three pedestrians, it's gonna stay for 3 seconds. If it's 4, it's gonna stay for 4 seconds. Now, we have a feature where it doesn't allow you to go over a certain number of seconds. So if you have, let's say you have 10 pedestrians, it won't let you go more than 4 seconds, because we don't want that pedestrian light to stay on for forever, right? So we want it to, the main traffic light to be, the green light to be on most of the time, except if there's pedestrians. So same thing with the traffic 2. I'm gonna press it 4 times, and it's gonna run through its cycle. It's gonna stay on for maximum of 5 seconds. So I believe that was 5 seconds. It's gonna go back, it's gonna run through the same cycle. Now, the other feature is, what's the other feature? So let me show you this. So let me run through this. So let's say it detects pedestrians right now. It's not gonna switch to pedestrians go just yet, because the main traffic has to go, so that we enable we ensure that the traffic is clear, because we want the main traffic lights to, the main traffic to flow. That's the one that we're technically prioritizing, right? Because that's the one that has most of the traffic most of the time, right? So we have a timer where it says, okay, you know what? The green light needs to stay on for at least 4 seconds before it actually switches to one of the other light cycles. So that's our code. Thank you.